Hi guys, this is just a quick one, let you know that we're all still alive. I'm sorry the videos haven't been coming particularly thick and fast. With the second lockdown and lots of other stuff, we've been incredibly busy, and it's just not played out that we've had time to do any videos. So we went to BBC Wales on Thursday. You may have seen the camera test. We've got some video footage of that, which I may mix into the main video. I may or may not use. It didn't quite pan out as we had intended, mostly because it just rained and rained and rained all the way there, and there's only so much rain you can watch. But this is one of the items that we managed to score, and this epic array of buttons all the way to the ceiling. This lovely EL monitor on here. So this is a switch, routing and effects control box from, I believe it was Studio C2 at BBC Wales, BBC Cardiff. As you can see, it works. It powers up, it does stuff. We can make it do things, and various screens and things work. This is truly epic. I haven't decided what's going to happen with this once it's been torn down. The teardown will probably be non-destructive, but those black bars up there are massive banks of these lovely LED dot matrix displays. A lot of other guys have covered these, and they're really nice, really useful. We've got a couple of nice 4-digit 7 segs here. So we've got this lovely EL display down here. Lots of rotary encoders, beautiful keys on here. These, which have, bear in mind that this is getting on a bit, these have such lovely action on them. And can we get any keys to do anything? You can see we've got multicolored keys, backlights and things on here. Just mess around, press buttons, because I don't know what any of this actually does. There's kind of, I think we can change any of those, can we? No. There's not really much in terms of manuals and information on this, because it's generally assumed that if you're using one of these, you know what you're doing. So we'll get this set up. It's probably going to take a day or two to organise doing something with this. We'll take it in chunks. Excuse me. We've got 3 quartz router panels and a tally system that we'll look at as well, that came from here. There are also a number of large plasma screens, which we're not going to tear them down or do anything YouTube wise. We wanted them because we needed large plasmas. It may sound a bit odd in an era of high resolution LED screens, but plasmas are daylight readable, very easily daylight readable. So they're great for events and things like that, for static signs and things like that. If you are wanting a little bit more information on these and to see some of the other parts, I will post a link when I post this video to Dave over at EEV Blog, who pulled down one of the DME tore down one of the DME modules for this. So this is designed to work with SGI switching routers and DMEs. So you have a bank of DMEs. Can I see them? So these are the menus for the DMEs. These are your effects engines, and this is what Dave over at EEV Blog tore down. And then obviously you've got your switching and routing, which is handled by that lot. And then there's frame stalls. There's the ability to save stuff off and configurations on here. I do need to go through here and decide what needs to come off and what we can show you. There is a possibility there's BBC proprietary stuff on here which we can't show. We need to get rid of that, and it's part of what we agreed to when we took this on. And if you wanted to know just for sure where it came from, there you go. But it is a lovely piece of kit, and as Dave at EEV Blog said when he tore down the DME, it's not built to a budget, it's built to do a job, and that really shows through this. I did have to make a cable for it. Unfortunately, we did see the cables in the rack when we removed it, and they appeared to be permanently attached, or the three we grabbed were. But it does need a cable between this display unit, this, and this unit, and an auxiliary box which we've got with it as well. So we lucked out there. I had to make one because no one has T25 cables anymore. Anyway, let's get this little snippet uploaded, and I can move this out of the way so I can actually get to my desk again, and we'll decide how we're going to do the teardown and get that up for you really soon. And I won't forget to put a link to the EEV blog video for you as well. Cheers.